Ajinomoto has expanded globally by entering markets in Southeast Asia and South America, tailoring products to local tastes through vertical integration. This reduces costs, strengthens market connections, and builds its reputation as a culturally sensitive brand. In the ASEAN region, trade agreements simplify supply chain operations, allowing raw materials to be sourced from one country and processed in another. This lowers costs, maintains quality, and helps Ajinomoto adapt to changing markets and consumer needs. Despite its success, protectionism remains a challenge, with tariffs and anti-dumping investigation affecting operations. To address this, Ajinomoto diversifies its products, explores new markets, and complies with trade laws to maintain stakeholder confidence. These efforts ensure Ajinomoto balances global operations with local needs, supporting growth across regions. Ajinomoto strategies highlight key implications for global economic integration, population growth, and power dynamics. Its success in product domestication and supply chain integration within ASEAN shows how cooperative trade arrangements can benefit all parties while reducing the negative effects of protectionism. Demographically, Ajinomoto's ability to adapt to changing consumer tastes demonstrates the importance of aligning business strategies with population shifts. Serving diverse segments enhances competitiveness and supports global economic stability. Geopolitically, protectionism reveals shifting power in trade. Barriers imposed by developed nations often exclude emerging markets, creating unfairness. This calls for developing countries to push for equitable trade policies to prevent tensions and foster balanced global partnerships.
My name is Sungkarho. My matrix number is 2212-42635, and I'm going to present about historical perspective. Firstly, let's start with the evolution of economic thought. The evolution starts with mercantilism. Mercantilism is an approach that emphasizes wealth through trade and protective policies. Furthermore is free trade. Free trade is encouraged limited government intervention and open markets. Finally is Keynesian economics, which emphasizes government involvement during downturns. Moving on to the next point is contribution of major economies. Firstly, Adam Smith Division of Labour helped Ajinomoto enhance efficiency with specialized manufacturing at its Banda Estate factory. Next, David Ricardo comparative advantage theory inspired Ajinomoto to produce Sri Aji domestically, reducing costs and meeting regional demand. In addition, John Maynard Keynes influenced Ajinomoto response during the pandemic by focusing on demand-driven strategies like convenient and storable frozen products. Besides, Alfred Marshall marginal analysis and supply-demand curve helped Ajinomoto balance production and demand, avoiding overproduction with affordable products like Sri Aji. Lastly, Milton Friedman's free market ideas allow Ajinomoto to thrive globally by prioritizing product quality and diversity in competitive markets. Moreover, is historical context and influences. Firstly, is Martian economics. Martian economics exists in response to industrialism's inequalities. Ajinomoto counters this by adopting fair labor and sustainable practice. Next is liberalism and monetarism, which exists in the late 20th century, focusing on market stability and trade liberalization. These policies help Ajinomoto expand globally, maintaining consistent costs for production and exports while enabling efficient planning.
Hi, Assalamualaikum and greetings. My name is FATIHAH BINTI NAWI and my metric number is 22124718. So today I will talk about three big trends in international trade, which is the first one is globalization, second one is regional integration, and the third one is protectionism, and how Ajinomoto has adapted to them. So first and foremost, we have globalization. Ajinomoto expanded worldwide by adjusting its product to match local tastes and building factories in different countries. So this will help them save costs and connect better with the local market. Secondly, we have regional integration, which is trade agreements like those in Asia made it easier for Ajinomoto to trade, lower costs, and work with the local businesses to create new product for the region. So finally, we have protectionism, which is Ajinomoto has faced challenges like tariff and trade restriction. But they want to stay strong by creating new product, entering new market, and following trade rules to build the trust. So in general, trade policies affect different countries, which is rich countries gain more from trade, while developing nations often face barriers. Organizations like WTO help by making trade fair, solving problems, and encouraging open market. So in conclusion, we know that Ajinomoto shows how companies can adapt and success in this today's challenging world trade. So that is all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Fayyad bin Rahmat and I'm going to talk about the Industry Revolution 4.0. So Industry 4.0 and its key technologies. Industry 4.0 represents a transformative shift in how industry operates, driven by technologies like Internet of Things, artificial intelligence, automation, and cloud computing. These technologies enable interconnected systems, intelligent automation, and data-driven decision-making. Internet of Things, for example, collect real-time data, and cloud computing manage this data, and AI analyze it to enhance efficiency, predict outcomes, and make informed decisions. And lastly, automation ties everything together, ensuring autonomous operation across industries. Together, these technologies redefine manufacturing, creating smart factories and personalized customer experience. For the next slide, we're going to talk about the benefit and challenges of Industrial Revolution 4.0 for China and Geely. The benefit is for company like Geely, Industry 4.0 enhance productivity through automation and data-driven optimization. Geely Advanced Manufacturing use 5G and nearly 100% automation to minimize errors and maximize efficiency. AI also improve vehicle design and safety by analyzing task data, cutting costs, and accelerating development. Additionally, the shift creates high-skill job opportunities in artificial intelligence, research and development, and cybersecurity, boosting workforce innovation. However, these advancements come with challenges. A high initial investment, especially in evolving industry like automotive, pose risk. Integrating new technologies with existing system can disrupt operation. Cybersecurity threat also grow as interconnected system expand. Geely, for instance, must safeguard intellectual property and EV technologies. Lastly, workforce skill gaps necessitate large-scale training initiatives to prepare employees for new technologies. For its benefits for Ajinomoto and Malaysia, Ajinomoto integrates robotics, artificial intelligence, and cloud computing to enhance operations. Robotics minimize human errors in tasks like packaging, while AI drive customer engagement through platforms like their smart cooking website. Cloud computing optimize HR management, reducing lines on paperwork and streamlining processes. For its challenges include high implementation costs, employee resistance, and cybersecurity risks, especially with sensitive data storage. And Ajinomoto must also ensure algorithm accuracy in the ad platform to maintain customer trust and brand reputation. For the last slide is the implication of Industry Revolution 4.0 for global cooperation and competition. Industry 4.0 foster collaboration through shared research, global standards, and capacity building initiative. For example, Ajinomoto leveraged its global expertise to improve operation and employee training across subsidiaries. However, it also intensifies competition. Companies like Ajinomoto must innovate continuously to stay ahead, restructure value chain for efficiency, and explore new market driven by personalized product.
In conclusion, the global economy is shaped by the interplay of history, technology, and cooperation. IR 4.0 technologies like AI and automation are accelerating trade efficiency and globalization. Cooperation cloud trade agreement such as Ajinomoto Action Plan is essential to overcome challenges like protectionism and inequality. Businesses must also adapt to changing demographic and geopolitical shift to stay competitive. Lastly, major powers like United States, China, and Europe play a critical role in influencing global trade and shaping future partnership. Together, these factors define the path of sustainable global economic growth.